Hello together. In this video I want to show you how you can update your apps on your OPPO Reno8 Lite 5G. It is very important that you update your apps. If you don't update them, then your apps become vulnerable, and perhaps some apps won't start anymore. So you should just update your apps regularly. If you want to update your apps, you must click here on the Play Store, and then on the top right on your account, and then you click on Manage Apps and Device. When you are here, you can click on Manage, and here you can see all the apps that you have installed at this moment, and then you can click on Updates Available. And you can see here updates available. There is only one update available at the moment, so I can just click on it, and then I can just say, okay, here, please update it, and then it will download and install the newest version. So you can see here that I have only one app. If you have more apps, then you will see these apps here, like here, you will see them, and you can just see, okay, recently updated. Here you can see recently updated. Here is messages. Here is Google Maps, Netflix, and so on. If you click on Update Available, you can update them, and then you can just install the newest version. So it's pretty easy to update your apps on your OPPO Reno8 Lite 5G. Just go to the Play Store and update them. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.